Section 1. A glimpse of brilliance Border Collies at a glance. Picture this. A dog, sleek and agile, darting across a field. Its intense gaze is locked onto a flock of sheep. With effortless grace, it maneuvers the sheep, a furry conductor leading its woolly orchestra. This is the Border Collie, a breed renowned for its intelligence, herding prowess, and captivating spirit. But there's more to these dogs than what meets the eye. Border Collies are often celebrated for their problem-solving abilities and trainability. But where did these traits come from, and what are the myths and misconceptions surrounding this extraordinary breed? Let's delve into the world of Border Collies, exploring their history, intelligence, and unique characteristics. Section 2. The making of a legend, from rugged hills to herding champions. The story of the Border Collie begins in the rugged terrain of the Anglo-Scottish border. Here, amidst the rolling hills and challenging weather, they honed their skills as herding dogs. These dogs weren't bred for looks, they were bred for work ethic and intelligence. Early shepherds favored dogs who were biddable, agile, and able to think independently. These dogs needed to control large flocks of sheep, often in difficult conditions. Over generations, the best working dogs were selectively bred. This resulted in the highly skilled and intelligent Border Collie we know today. Section 3. Brainy herders, unpacking the Border Collie intellect. Border Collies are widely considered to be one of the most intelligent dog breeds, but what does this mean? It's not just about learning tricks, although they excel at that too. Border Collies have an exceptional ability to learn, understand, and execute commands. Their intelligence is deeply rooted in their herding instincts. They possess an uncanny ability to read and predict the movements of livestock. This requires a combination of problem-solving skills, spatial awareness, and an almost telepathic connection with their handler. This herding intelligence translates well to other activities, making them stars in obedience, agility, and even dog sports like frisbee. Section 4. Mythbusters, police work, and the question of stupid looks. Given their smarts, it's tempting to imagine Border Collies excelling as police dogs. However, their very strengths make them less than ideal for this line of work. Police work often requires a dog to be assertive and even confrontational. Border Collies, with their strong herding instincts, might try to control suspects by nipping or circling, which isn't the desired outcome. And what about the misconception that Border Collies look stupid? This likely stems from their intense, almost worried expressions when they're working. Their furrowed brows and focused stares are simply signs of their deep concentration, not a lack of intelligence. In fact, it's this very intensity that makes them so effective at their jobs.